I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Power Query Editor. Open your table, then select the date column you need to change. Once selected, glance at the column type icon to see current formatting. This tells you whether it is text, date, or date/time. You should convert text to date first if necessary. Use transform data type date. Make sure to preview rows so you confirm conversion works. If some values fail, note them for later fixes before proceeding to custom formatting steps. Once the column is a true date type, you can change presentation. You can split into year, month, day, or create a custom column using date. To text, to define format explicitly. For example, date. To text, date, mm/dd/ei or date. To text, date, yimmdd gives consistent results. Use escape tokens exactly. Make sure to name the new column clearly and validate a few rows. If you need locale-aware parsing, use date from text with culture parameter before transforming to text to avoid misinterpretation. To finish, remove or replace the original column with your formatted result, then click Close and Load to push changes back to Excel. Make sure to set the queries locale, query properties locale, if dates parsed incorrectly across regions. If you see nulls or errors in the preview, step back through applied steps to identify the failing transform and fix source strings or adjust culture settings. One key troubleshooting tip: convert problematic values to text, inspect anomalies, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.